Hi and welcome to this new dino draw along. Well, today we're going to draw a gentle giant from the dinosaur world, the Brachiosaurus. Check out how awesome the finished one looks. Grab a pen or pencil, something to colour with, and let's get drawing. Right, we're going to start near the top left hand side of the page, and we're going to draw in the dinosaur's nose. Think of it like a long C shape, and I want you to start with your pen near the top of the page, curve round and then backwards again, and do a little line across as if the dinosaur's smiling. We're now going to draw underneath the chin, and this is a curving line starting near to the tip of the nose. Draw across with a slight curve and stop just beyond the edge of the smile. Next we'll draw the top of the head as a dome shape, similar size to the nose. So start where we finished, curve around the top and then back down again and all the way down in a slight S shape, and that's the long neck of the Brachiosaurus. We're going to match the same shape across, so start just underneath the chin, follow the shape round, keeping the same distance, and then just extend and finish there. We'll now draw around the body, so start where we finished and curve a sort of C shape round, stopping about the same place as where the neck finished. We're going to draw the first leg as a long cylinder, so start just inside the body, curve down, near to the bottom of the page, curve across, and curving back up towards the top and finish with a little curve at the top. Next we're going to draw in the second leg, so start at the same distance from the body, going downwards, curving round, and then back up with a little conical shape at the top. Now starting in the middle, draw a gentle curve across for his belly underneath, and next we're going to draw in the other two legs. So start this one a little further forward, going down, round and back up again, roughly the same shape as before. And for this leg, the fourth one, do an L shape from the second leg in and just match the shape up to the top. Now we're going to draw the back of the dinosaur. This is like a hill shape, starting inside where the neck is, curving around the top, and then back down, just stopping there for the moment. And now we're going to get the tail in. So we're going to draw a loop down, back up towards the top at the little S shape there, and now we're going to curve it back down, starting thin at the top and widening towards the bottom, and then a nice big curve back in towards the body. And there's the rough shape for the Brachiosaurus done. Next we're going to draw in the eye, so go towards the top of the head in the middle, nice big circle. We've done this several times before. And then on the left hand side, draw a semicircle inside, colour it in black, and you can leave a little bit white just as if the eye's shining. The final thing we're going to do is add some details in. So I want you to draw some sort of rough, almost like island shapes along the back of the neck. You can do these big or small. Give them a little texture by sort of wobbling the pen a little bit. And we're going to go all the way down the neck, just adding some rough stripes in, so we've got some interesting details to colour. And I want you to do the same across the back, so wiggly squiggly lines. We're going to do some bits where there's an inside fill in. Just do a mixture of little shapes with a slightly jaggedy edge, because it'll be nice and fun to colour these. Starting thick at the top and then slightly smaller and thinner as if they're grading down across the body. Maybe we'll add just two little ones here for the detail on the back. And we're going to draw some little, again, ones across the top end of the tail. Maybe 4 or 5. And again, just make them slightly smaller as we get to the thinner end of the tail. The final thing we'll do is just add in some little zigzag lines for the grass. Long little curving lines. Just moving your pen quite freely. And just put some grass details around the bottom of the legs to give it that sense that he's walking around in the grass. That looks really good. And just before I forget, we need to add in the toes. So just use your pen at the bottom end of the feet and draw 3 loops for toenails. Do them each on each leg, just about even size. There's another 1, 2, and 3. And finally on the last one, do them from the left to the right, big or small as you want really. That's the line art done. Now I'm going to switch to speedy colouring mode. I'm using a mix of greens with pink for this one, but you can choose whatever colour you like. While I colour, listen to these cool facts about the Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus was one of the tallest dinosaurs ever, with a long neck that helped it reach treetops to feed on leaves from tall trees. Brachiosaurus couldn't chew, so it swallowed all the plants it ate whole and digested them in its stomach. It lived around 150 million years ago, during what's called the Jurassic period. And that's our Brachiosaurus finished. I hope you had loads of fun drawing it with me. Remember to tune in to Rob's Drawing Club for more fun draw-along videos. See you next time.